In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a customized drop-down menu and style image buttons effectively. Whether you're revamping your website's navigation or sprucing up its visual appeal, these tips are designed to guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's begin by exploring how to configure your drop-down menu. This can significantly enhance your site's organization and usability, making it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for. The first step is to open the Site Pages and Menu panel. You can do this by clicking the page icon in the sidebar of your website builder interface. If you don't already have a drop-down title, you will need to create one. This can be achieved by adding a new menu item and selecting Drop-Down Title from the options offered. Alternatively, you can use an existing page as a parent element for your drop-down. This flexibility allows you to integrate drop-downs seamlessly, as shown in tutorials on platforms like Wix.com. Once you've set up your drop-down, it's time to add pages to it. Simply drag the pages you wish to include, placing them carefully underneath the designated parent item. At any point, if you feel the need to tweak the structure of your menu further, you can utilize the Sub-Page option. This is especially handy for creating multi-level drop-downs that deliver more complex navigation paths without overwhelming your site's layout. Next, let's move on to string image buttons for your homepage, giving your site an added layer of interaction and style. Start by navigating to the Add Elements section and choose Image to incorporate pictures you plan to use as interactive buttons. With the images in place, the next step involves linking them to different pages on your site. This is done by simply clicking on the image and selecting the Change Link option, allowing you to direct visitors to specific pages with a simple click. Enhancing the design of these image buttons is crucial for aesthetics and usability. The Design menu is your resource hub for this task. Here, you can adjust their appearance, paying attention to details like borders and colors to make them not just eye-catching, but also cohesive with your overall site theme. Now, let's customize the drop-down menu's overall feel. Begin by clicking on your header and selecting Change Header Design. You may also click on the Design icon, which looks like a paintbrush, conveniently located next to the menu. You will have access to customized design, where adjusting the drop-down menu container becomes an effortless task. You have the freedom to alter the background, tweak borders, and change the opacity to fit your style. Fine-tuning the drop-down layout can create harmony in your design. Clicking on the Layout icon allows you to dictate the number of columns, spacing, and alignment, according to your preference. To add an extra touch of flair, consider introducing hover effects and animations. These elements not only make the menu more interactive, but also ensure it stands out visually to your audience. By following this comprehensive approach to setting up drop-down menus and styling image buttons, your site is sure to stand out with a professional look and user-friendly functionality.